Now we will see one program, how to write the program for this, how to write the code for this program. The program is write a program which reads n student marks and names in a test and then prints the marks and name of the student whose name is longest. Let us say I have read 3 student marks. Out of 3 student marks, I would like to print the marks and name of the student whose name is longest. And we need to assume that no two students' names are of same length. We will write the code for this. So for this, what we'll do is because I need to read the name, I'll have name of 100 to read the names of the student. Okay. And for printing the name, what I'll do is I'll use one more name, which is pname of 100, right? And then I need to read the marks. So I need to read the marks of the student. For printing, I'll copy the marks of the student whose name is longest. So for that, I'll use p marks as the marks, and we need to find out the longest, right? Longest name kaval kabatti will declare a variable nl, which is name length, right? And for finding out which other it is, we need to find out the length of each and every student name, and we need to compare with whether it is maximum or not. So for that, we have declared a maxl, which have initialized to 0, right? So these are the variables which we require. And also, I think we need to have how many number of students we would like to read. So for that, number of students n. These are the variables. Let us say how many students would like to read, whether I want to read 10 students, or whether I want to read 2 students or 3 students. For that, we need to read the students. So first, I'll write printf enter number of students. So I would like to read how many number of students we want to read from the user. For that, I need to read percentage d ampersand of n. Now I need to read each student. So for that, I'll read for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Now I want to read the first student marks. So how I'll read? I'll read student marks and name. Both I need to read. I'll ask user to enter printf slash n, enter name and marks. So I want to read both the things at once. So for that, I need to read scanf. Percentages is for the name, which I want to read from the user. That is, I want to read a string, comma, not comma, percentage. D is the marks. So ampersand of name, not S, sorry. Ampersand of name, I want to read, and ampersand of marks. These are the things which I need to read. Now I need to find out the length of the string. What we are supposed to do? We are supposed to print marks and name of the students whose name is longest. So I need to find out the length of the name. So name length is equal to, I'll use a function strlen of name. So strlen of name, we gets the length of the name. So that is nl. what we need to do, we need to get the maximum and then we need to store that value into this. So what I am doing is, if NL is greater than max length, if NL is greater than max, what is initial max length? Initial max length is 0. So I'm checking if the length of the string is maximum is more than the maximum length. అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాను, I'll write NL is equal to, sorry, max L is equal to NL. ఏం చేయాలి, మ్యాక్స్ లెంగ్త్ మార్చాలి. మ్యాక్స్ లెంగ్త్ మార్చాలి కాబట్టి I'll write max length is equal to name length, and I need to store the name and marks of that particular student who got the maximum length. So అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాను, I want to store. So print name లో I'll copy, print name లో ఏది కాపీ చేయాలి, we need to copy the name. So if I want to copy the name of name into p name, what I'm supposed to do, I need supposed to do strcpy is the function which copies the source is name for me, and what is the destination is pname is the name into which I want to copy the maximum length of the student. So print str copy of pname comma name, and now I want to copy the marks into pmarks. So pmarks is equal to whatever the marks obtained by the student, I want to copy into pmarks. So as long as NL is greater than ML, I want to copy those values into this. So I want to repeat all these things. How many number of times still I need to reach this condition I less than n fails. As long as I is less than n, I want to repeat all the things, and I need to compare the name length with maximum length. If it is more, I need to copy these things. So we'll see with an example. Let us say, now I'll say n is equal to, I'll give 3. So I want to read 3 student marks. So I've given n is equal to 3. Now I have entered into this loop. What is the loop? Loop is I is equal to 0. I started with I is equal to 0. When I is equal to 0, I need to check the condition. 0 is less than 3, which is true. So I need to ask the name and marks. So I need to read name and marks. Let us say first I have given SRI. So first I have given the SRI and the marks is 95. And I'm checking the condition. String length. What is the string length? NL is equal to, what is NL? String length of SR is 3. 3 is greater than, what is max length? 0. Initially max length is 0, which we have taken. Max length is 0. 3 is greater than 0. True. So what I'm supposed to do? Max is equivalent to, max length is equivalent to, which is declared earlier 0. Now I want to copy the new value of NL into maxl, and pname is equal to name, whatever the contents of name I want to copy in pname. Similarly, pmarks is equivalent to marks obtained by this. So there are no other statements which I need to execute. So come back to the here and increment the value of I. I is now 1. Now 1 is less than 3. Fine. Now I need to read the second name. So now I'll enter Srinivas. So the new name is Srinivas. And the marks are, let us say I have 90 marks now. So whenever I read the name and marks, whatever the contents of name and marks of previous this thing, I am overwriting with new values. So when I is equal to 1, I am using the same name array for reading the second student name. I don't want to store any names here. And I have read the marks of the students. Now what is the new NL? Again, I will calculate the length of the name. What is my name? Srinivas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The new length is 8. What I'm supposed to do? I need to check the condition. NL is maxl. What is NL? NL is 8. What is maxl? 3. So 8 is greater than 3. sorry, 8 is greater than 3, not 0. 8 is greater than NL. NL is 8 and max L is 3. 8 is greater than 3, which is true. So the new max L is not 8, not 3, it is 8. And I want to copy the name to pname. Name is Srinivas and pname what, so I have something. So I want to copy this into here. So I'll have Srinivas and I want to copy the marks. So marks will be, p marks will be 90. So there are no other statements. Increment the value of I is 2 now. 2 is less than 3, which is also true. Now I need to read the again. I'll ask the user to enter name and marks. I will read the marks. Let us say now I'll enter SREE and I have got 100 marks. SREE, I've got 100 marks. What is the new length? New length is not 8. Now the value is 4. So length of the name is 4. NL is greater than maxL. What is NL? NL is 4 is greater than maxL. MaxL is now 8. 4 is greater than 8. So no. So I need not execute these statements. Whatever I have previously, these are correct. So come back here. Increment the value of I. 3 less than 3, false. So at the end of this loop, I need not execute, right? When 3 is less than 3, I need not execute. So end of this loop, what is having? I have pname, I have Srinivas, and pmarks, I have 90. If you observe what are the data we have given, first we have given SRI and I have given marks as 95. Second time I have given Srinivas and I have given 90 marks. And third time, third variable SRI and I have given 100. So what is my target? I want to print the marks and name of the student whose name is longest. Out of these three, the longest name is this. So I want to print the name and marks of this student. So that is why, that's what I have done. Whenever it is maximum, I have copied that name and marks into the variables which I want to print. The name is pname, the other one is pmarks. Now, if I print the values of, let us say, if I printf /n longest name of the student, longest name of the student. What is longest name of the student? I need to, what is longest name? Pname. So I need to give is percentages, 1 second, name of the student is, I need to give a percentages and pname, and I want to print marks of the student whose name is longest. Is, I want to print the marks, because of that I'll use percentage %d and I'll give p marks. So whatever the values I have got in pname and pmarks, I want to print those things onto the display. So I'll get the output as SRINIVAS is the longest name and the marks is 90. So that is how you can write the program by checking whether the name of the student is longest or not. But to find out the longest name, we need to find out the length of the name. For that we have used strlen. In order to use the string length function, what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to include #include string.h along with stdio.h. We all know we are regularly including stdio.h. Now apart from the stdio.h, because we want to find out the length of the string using string function, we need to include string.h also in our program code. Try this code.